Have you ever wondered how hard ice cream is made? Here at Slice's Concession, we have shown business owners how to make the popular dessert to much success for the last 10 years. Begin with the liquid ice cream base with 10 to 16% butterfat. The higher the butterfat, the creamier and richer the ice cream. In addition, the higher the butterfat, the more expensive the product. Add all natural flavorings and syrups to your ice cream base. Your base is your canvas. The quality of the ice cream is partially dependent on the type of flavoring you add. Both National Flavors and Green Mountain Flavors make quality flavors that are great additions to any ice cream. Pour the product into your batch freezer. Hit the freeze button to start churning your product. Quality and freeze time all depends on what batch freezer you will be using. Extract your ice cream into a bucket. When extracting, you might want to layer with delicious bulk inclusions such as nuts, candy, or syrups to enhance flavor. Put your product into a blast freezer. A blast freezer hardens the outside of the ice cream and lowers the internal core temperature. Place flavors in the display case and you are ready to serve. Serve your great product to happy customers. Here at Slice's Concession, we pride ourselves on the great relationships we have with our clients. We ensure great quality batch freezers to great establishments. We have a host of great batch freezers that surpass the competition. Stick with a winning company to help ensure your future ventures are a success. Make more money for your business. Let us show you how. Call us today, Slice's Concession.